Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use your start-stop automatic function of your Audi A3 or F3. We are sitting inside the car, and if you are driving for approximately 10 minutes around, and your temperature, your inside temperature has reached the set up value, and your battery is in a good condition in your car, your starter battery is in a good condition, then the possibility is that you can use the start and stop automatic function. This start and stop automatic function will save energy for the entire planet, and it will save fuel. That means it saves money for us. These two options are really good. And there's another option. If you stand in idle mode on a traffic light, for example, the engine will shut down automatically. So it will not get some noise out. So it's better for all around us. How we can perform this? If there is a traffic light and we stop the vehicle by pressing the stop or brake pedal in the center, if our car is stopped, then the automatic start and stop automatic will be enabled and the engine will shut off. If we go again, because it's green light, we can accelerate again. And we push the clutch, and of course the engine will start automatically. Okay? So now, let's perform this. For example, we are driving to a location where we are going to stop the vehicle. Then we have to stop the vehicle. That means shift to neutral. Stop by using the brake pedal. And your car will automatically switch off. And an A with an arrow around is in your central monitor. That means we are now in start and stop function. The engine is off. If we can bring it back into life, the only thing is we have to push the clutch. Then it will start automatically. Or the car is rolling a little bit, then it will start automatically. That means to restart, push the clutch, and the car will start again, and we can continue driving. Okay? That's easy, isn't it? Yes, it is. And it's good for the planet. And it's good for our pocket. And it's good for all. And if you not like this function, you can switch it off by using this button in the center console. This means there is the A with the arrow around it and an off. If you perform this button, the start and stop automatic is be disabled. Okay? If you switch off the ignition and you perform a engine start again, it will automatically come back to life, and it will be automatically enabled again. That's how it works. The start stop automatic function. It's good for the planet, it's good for your pocket, and it's good for all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.